So the plastic one and mash up. Yeah. So here am I, guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to self-care, health and wellness. Here am I shopping for mop, guys. Mop, yes. Please to share out the video, guys. Yes. Comment, of course, and subscribe. White map, guys. Which of the map you'll rather to use in your home? Is it the white map? Comment in the comment section, let me know. Or the colored map? Which of them you rather? I used to use this one, the colored one. Yes, and then later on now I switched to the white map. Yes, I get to love the white map here. Yes, I rather using the white map. Yes. And the white map price is for 3.75 and 7 cents there. Yes. So the white map is for me. And over here is clothespin. Yes, pin for the clothes. Yes. Earlier I used to use this type of clothespin, right? The bold ones. Yes, for many years I grew up on this type of pin here. The bold clothespin. And then I switch over to the plastic pin. I've been using plastic pins for 23 years now, guys. Wow. For 23 years I've been using plastic pin. Now I find myself switching back to the board pin. Why? The board pin are more stronger. Yet when they get older, they leave a mark in your clothes, especially the white. That is why I switch over to the plastic pin, right? But what I do know, guys, is to use both pins. Yes, I buy both pins and use. So for the color, I will use the board, and for the white, there I use the plastic pins. Yes. Yes, and I still use washing brush, guys. Yes, got to have washing brush in the home. Washing brush are very important. Yes. Every now and then you're going to want something to, the brush to rub something. Yes. And this is the price on the washing brush. Let me see the price. It is $2.51 and 99 cents.